Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. When a new shopper is deciding whether to trust your store, the first thing they look for is what other people said. Good reviews are the quiet salesperson that works for you day and night. In this short guide, I'll show you where your customer reviews live, how to find any review in seconds, and the honest way to earn more of them. Start by opening your reviews page from the left menu, under Products. This is the one place where every review a customer leaves on any of your products shows up, so you can read them, learn from them, and use them. This is your reviews inbox. Each row is one real review, with the star rating, the message the customer wrote, which product it's about, and the date. Think of this page as your storefront's reputation, all in one view. Take a moment to actually read what buyers say. A line like this, praising your craftsmanship or your fast shipping, is pure gold. These are the words that convince the next shopper to buy, so notice which products earn the warmest praise. Need to find a specific review? Use the search fields on the right. You can look one up by the shopper's name, or search for a keyword inside the review text, like quality or delivery, to see everything customers are saying about a topic. You can also filter by star rating. Choose 5 stars to pull up your best raves so you can feature them, or pick a low rating to quickly find an unhappy buyer and make it right before it hurts your reputation. Set any filters you like, then click search to see just those reviews. And here's the honest way to get more of them: deliver a great product, ship it fast, then send a friendly thank you asking for an honest review. Never buy or fake reviews. Real words from real customers are what build lasting trust. So that's your reviews inbox. Read what customers say, search or filter to find any review in seconds, and keep earning honest reviews by giving great service and simply asking. Every genuine review makes the next sale a little easier. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.